who now when he cranty or be bounce and then all that. These were all negatives around event places and events itself. How is it like heading into festivities?
This happens everywhere. Senior, we ekoso baby how.
Does it make it normal?
It's very normal. It's very normal. Ye kuye nimni de be hwe say bia nsesa bi beba e bia de enye bi ye penisa se bibia enye bi, but it's very normal. It's very normal. So Accra, there are places in Accra who was a reserve seat. It years can tour and san wabao.
Yeah.
Who be drew on you are lucky. Science Tantina say was say what Nasia. It was a juice package. You see, Kosukra one some friend I'll buy it.
Yeah.
Till 1 year Jew reservation bear 20,000 and send out Cotanasi. Now 20,000 sana the Bemano won't num to Nasa. This has been there. Accra wana you feel it say be out no omuli di near maybe and no more money maybe home. It's happening there.
Okay.
Say ye event on a normal day ukowa yenjiska, but a particular event. So we changing the sound, we bringing our concept, we building up stage. The screens be but and a different.
Even adding performers, artists
and all. Into 200 cities, 100 cities are senior way a problem. Mr. Black. Event you know me can say kakra. So I think every time you better say because there are event centers in Accra and other regions so we need table reservation there are places here in Ghana we need card club no we need membership card untimi room and it's ebi be Kumasi December ebi be Kumasi December obi bi uni card untimi rem uni card drew is coming omuni pako no bi in December ya big uni card uni member unrem.
Dress code wise ebi se obu ha wa shanata de kama we drew honoma akwa bi hu na on pen asem nti wo say me ma unrem because of what the shape. Is that happening in Kumasi? If it's happening, is there a reason why?
A club to enter a club na yes it's as if we Western world like we don't take slippers to club.
It's even for your own safety.
Exactly. We don't take slippers to club. What I say was singlet. You were types no singlet, it was singlet. What you say with what they are dressing it makes sense what I say. But you first singlet enko club, you enko shorts, you first shorts enko club, you funny maybe enko club it say lounge. Lounge no crowd the club no crowd the same emphasis will be about volunteer no normal. But a lounge is where people will sit, feel relaxed, check out the environment. Who are you? Now you will be the chili pra. It is all drone I say my own room and I said dress code no in suit senior
baby corner wabana.
So
if I get you right, all these things are practices originated from her.
No,
we feel we are learning from the Western world.
Yes, you anything here, you know.
Okay, it is so there. We should learn what they do. Ebia changes get to ebi, or we should just do away. Obibeka say, let's do away with omodian. Ya peke we. Yen do away with omodian. Yen fire the enquanshim. Yen say befa.
Mr. Black, first will be a shechele. Show must they do papa. Uko washroom wa obotaki wo washroom cross and we what's this out there no obotaki no washroom and we to remu no wabetena say na onua bi di chele pra. Oh no baby o wabetimi chele na ko eno nche say ye manipa bi no see be ni ma bi dia e wo see di ehun hyehyeye so semesi meba Opemsuo na e wo se me drew her one na me drew her for ni apon a me ni ho asem ka e wo se di hyehyeye so if we want to do that, these are the do's and don'ts in this kind of game inti enye ne sa me a big deal though.
Leon Clairway, so I asked like 3 questions in one. I feel your answer was for one. Security wise, obu ha wa see you me call baby see be to me car me call ho no ma bambo ni ho me ye mistake cry obi timi the second woman na se for. I feel normal no one can me no and answer no so normal. Stana.
Debbie, me maybe I say.
Stana ahameba.
And yes, I'm so and some money.
But then the scenario is Stana is having an event. Stana is selling tickets. Stana the dress code at home. Ma go by nina, ma dress a kama. Ma Tommy ticket. Nya fina me hwi ni pa nim. Me buy so bi a menya seat at na so. Yes, a car park ni ma park me car. I don't understand some security guys or mobile share said the bear. Me walk on no ma me Jimmy ni was stand program aseno. Why don't I have that assurance? Say I would come back, walk into my car and go as I came.
The entire no man and car battery na sem no. Me ne o can be brebe.
Yes,
and I can say e be a normal.
Yes.
Say be a club na ye de boabu 3 man and say obi be a it happens. Western world, security, I can say people are able to enter with guns, like not say a yard, papa.
Yeah.
No own.
Yeah.
Second, same security. Meet me, I can say, Kumase, Upia, with security wise, we are safe, Kachakra.
Really?
Oh, I'm telling you.
What are some of the measures? I want to know.
When Milan like this, Milan was security 3 or top, almost security 4 or down, almost security or car park. Milan. Java, it was securities 2, Bakushe car park, Baku inside. Highlight, it was highlight securities got the doors on. More bear 6 are you saying? And see, say, name be an AC, Seneca say, a yini banom,
yeah,
and name be so free. When you know, me to me say, not ACC, not a war, but then a name couldn't nimino, Nina so think I can crack. Make us say a cockra, but then a son sort event like this. The last time you event on Milan, you first security is bear 10 cyber count. I don't know car park no.
Wow.
What I say? Me TB actually say to me battery. To be honest, and I'm Mr. Black. Oh yeah, victim.
I mean, you're victim, but I think me who be that went me into. I think it was a program at Rage Condos. In Johnson Honor that area no plus 2 so any event that stretch in out to from Barnas Horba. So I think we were parked outside along the street. Na security be wo ho or yeah or see we fire car ni wura ho. Yeah, I'm fan wura ho. Yeah, park wo designated slot in nchen. You drew honom no na me hood no. It's like a mua hoju.
Papa ne see favorite one favorite one.
It's like it was a stretch. But then I was like, the hood was, I said, yeah, be or try to open. But then nipa na intimi into bachi. So it's like it rings a bell and you get people saying it. And I make an air Christmas.
It be a sida.
Yeah.
Me be to me that.
Yeah.
That's how times no I say broken heart stuff like.
He added to the conversion. Understand? I want us to. We are having a conversation, not just about brabeji weni ko. And then there's this perception with grown-ups already. Say, they mean, are you for na you for. Personally, I've experienced events be bre ukumasia. Oma aka say you for no. Omo na wo ho you'll be happy to be around them because you no doesn't happen there. It's going to be clear that perception from, especially in Penifu, you was they say young boys say yeah eventer and you say what to honor will be the idea of nina. It's not that is not the mindset. And then yes say you for say you for be na my own twin or be ball car glass. That perception, that is what I want us to clear.
Yeah.
Because if you just talk about the event and Goa, or more that mindset now will still have that mindset.
So, Mr. Black, with the growth I'm talking about, me, need Japan say be a me eventer. The kind of people I see there, I feel like it's American in Yinina 7. Me feel say in Yini Bem.
Yeah.
Because nipa be a who say, we see na opie, nansen was I say PM. That means what better say and yes, say na tie. And yes, so me no Mr. Black what about event we say cry maybe I see for bear 2 years
say Debbie
and me feel say send ni nyina boss to enyini na aba adwuma nim no nipa omo ba bi ti ase omo ye ti ase and it's kind of positive to the industry.
Stana, with critical observation, if you take the likes of, let me use Accra event organizers, who said there is this unity amongst them, say Bonti Neye Jumedia. There are familiar faces you could see supporting Bonti, making appearances at Bonti's event. Sankofona Abeko, Riley event as no more Obeko village and almost no more Obeko canal hono more and you could see that there is that unity amongst event organizers which goes a long way to pull other people to the or more no. Kumasi D, it's a growing economy, we could put it that way. Because so heard said the kind of investment people have made in bringing places and all that to Kumasi, I mean it's a good investment. Kumasi D, you being part of event organizers, how was it? Do you guys have sa idea no? And I say ubi a na idea into practically idea on crop for ban maba. How is Kumasi event organizers? How is the unity like?
Hey, Mr. Black.
We don't show.
Pass mommy.
We don't show. Ubi a na idea. Let's be real. Ubi a na idea. And you have that kind of.
Me feel say there's growth from that side too.
Okay.
From that angle, so in yini ebem, I think say na say obi na there, but I feel there we are wait me fro meba wait me fro me available wait me fro me nye bit me bibia mo na me maybe more na nti kakra me hu ni say eno so eba kakra but I mean the only problem I have is
let me know, brother.
Do I have to say this?
Let's talk. let's be real.
The young ones, we don't respect we don't respect the grown-ups in the game.
You are right to say that because what do you think is the way we can go around that? Okay.
Is because of the answer.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm pressing. Say ye de penny be aye penya yentu your boss ho men feel that say ye need say nipa ne pe
yeah when you skaka be you know you feel
we need nipa ne pe and say when your audience be you feel say no me realize this side and abra me tia penifo bi na so.
Okay,
so I had to go back visiting penifo no e pa chow just me nyibium and kra omo say me nyibium because me near side in Subium. So and kitwe bi aba
senior learn from that. Senior realize I'll call back to say sorry. Yes. You are still stunner. You still have events going on.
And those people if they give you concept for eventer,
okay,
I tell you. But I did they play this year the animal
wow.
Yes.
Free,
or your concept no me come me phone search or your concept no senior bear 5 slides.
Okay.
They sending me. So
okay.
I read everything, then was half me. We need Ghana across this year or America.
Nice one. Stana, events organization, events programs that has been coming on. People also have that perception and one way. Oh, maybe I need a program or Milan, a program or highlight Obeko and almost the same thing. Is it say event places are now cheaper to rent and have your own event there? And I say, if you are those saying that do not actually go to these events until they don't see the difference. Now we are there, so getting places to do your events now. Like are there negotiations? You just have to get your money, come rent and do it. And I say, when the concept is good, the conversation can go well for you. How was it like?
I feel event centers, for the first one, event centers should read concepts. And then my events, you say in Kra, you do, in Musaya Habium, Naya raw, Yakosa, Niaba. Now, one thing is, sponsorships, as in beverage be best sponsor and I say penny be and also keep you home sink Opemsuo my fat sponsorship no more you be promo de be you be no
really.
So giving concept is very expensive. It's not who party be raw no man.
First of all, you feel event organizers even don't event places centers, they don't look at concept from
Obideba. When I say or be party you better not dinty. The only place I meet me only concept are very hard So when the concept, no man take concept, and I say very hard. So many be my pa and Milan any highlight.
Really?
If you are not having the concept, one moment take the opposite and I say highlight won't feel. Workers are more feel. But then you do not certain China to give people the experience. So be preaching experience na money panel the opposite way better and it's very expensive. Mr. Black expensive too.
Now is it mono? How do you guys do it now? Is it a partnership? Is it a collaboration, or is it get your money come rent these places? It's saying event organizer places, are they being fair to Kumasi based event organizers?
No, omunye bi betima bi account.
Really?
Yes, because any sponsorship be nearby.
And when you go there with your concept, they still feel
they will give you the concept, but then me feel say with say split percentage or whatever, betima bi account.
Okay.
Betima who event we and unim akoye say wona wo ba ha no obi so pe ho abehye obi o.
Okay.
Enti say crack concept that crack on say mo akọ.
Usika sem no forma.
Wo be pay sika bebrebe dodo unsu bi wa e betima da wa ya nda da do date be mo bi foforo.
Wow.
Ni nyina be share sponsorship.
Okay.
When you be oti ase me company ba ko a me metimi akase be do mo ya. I don't know if they're going to sue me or whatever they will do. Bele. Hey. Let me say I turn bele okroma no.
Na mo bele party
senior me MC event bi mo bi to bele mako sa 100.
Yes, so say
we proposal come bele for mu feel kra. Makes me
do they give reasons why?
Oh, they will tell you they've exceeded their what budget na maintain the best sponsor won so no. E be all the budget be 50,000 a quarter. The best sponsor be more be 5,000. Look at this.
Oh.
How do you know Mr. Black and same video jam can't.
I want us to, if say won't go into details, let's share it so people get to understand. On the it's in a making. Obu here when trim say there be a standard to Java. To Java 40 say in TM say oka say me de twini be see who na Java for their man into akwe when yan ho na no say turn ticket. People have that perception say maybe you don't go through anything or me land for any omu to see. Into they have that concept.
On say Java hosa. When the concept of Java nko. So when the obe when the butaya nko Java crowd in see o crowd say abo ba say me be party no ba feel.
It also yes be on for no de ma. You've learned what is it that you do.
There have been days I'm a person me event Java catch me some farmer.
Really?
Yes, catch me I work there farmer me. Because we meant me convince you.
Okay.
To farmer.
Okay.
Now ni nyina ba besi beverages na nyina omoton no. Se beverages no mass sponsorship a almost be hu say any betimi de bi atua we ka betimi de bi atua we ka na ko ma biem na nke bi a the one less concept ko betimi agrumi no.
Yeah.
A dining boarding light boarding enti se wo be ya ade bi a esa betwin light bebrebe na deep now enmu muska me kra ka menye. So beverages no and sponsor yen bro me kwa akra Hennessy wa ha we sponsor we wa uba wo hu bi ahombe ma obi nso a no a kire say wo de akra market no nipa no ku akra no and e toto wa ha wa ma budget be say to ade 50,000 or to ade 50,000 ma sponsor 5,000. Look at this.
Do you think there should be a broader conversation
Mr.
with
Black?
Sanyoma Winyina?
Intina me said that I make catch it because me say we come man for better. Me say we hu to me intina me catch it wa no. Ma bo what? Mr. Black, ma bo what?
Oh, because therefore let's be real. And yes, na te ha na wo kan. Senka wo kan crofo pa they should be sponsoring these events. Just as he said, it should be this beverages name sansa for you because practically as a moyema omu.
Black, very true. Understand he made something say Okope grounds. So let's face reality here. Okope grounds. You see, in a conversation, what he's saying is right. I'm not against it, and I don't know how they go about their things. But what I think is, you see how he's respecting this event grounds in terms of before they can even give you the grounds. You need to have a convincing concept.
Yeah.
let's ask ourselves, Stana might be doing it, but with Kumasi event organizers or event organizers in general, you can see a corporate sponsorship, but the way you say, make sure propose a corporate sponsorship. Oh, I'm about to do this event. There's the concept. Now, product for no air sponsor. It goes beyond all concepts for the concepts, no, like concept for the concepts. It now goes to the point of okay, Java on a normal good day, Java Tommy Niema 30,000. A day now will be extra, you better more 30,000 account. It might not come out of your concepts, but it could come out of another concept on how you are going to market the product. Me patch what I say. And you know, in as much as we are attacking them, rightfully he said, Okwa Accra is different. Some of them say numbers, no. But let's also think about the kind of proposals we are giving to these companies. Is it a proposal that I'm doing my event, I want you to come on board, come create a stand? Because nobody might be creating stands, na ento. Data makers says Stana can stand out. I've been to his event with you where they were doing this Hennessy shots. It kind of spies the event. Maybe I'm taking Hennessy shots, maybe I'm a numbida. Acheme. It will push me to go and what? Buy more. But what I said, these are some of the concepts we should consider when we are writing proposals. Other than that, like he's saying, we will come back by making the same complaints. As he is comparing it to event grounds, no, based on concepts are there, but before they can even give the grounds to you, if you have your money, no, we should also pay attention to the kind of proposals we give to these products.
Yes. I don't know about KBB now.
KBB.
Okay.
Proposal, yeah. I wish I could read one of my proposals, and I said, "We are a poem the better."
That's why I said you could be a standout.
But me no cross stand out to your mommy.
Still not credit.
Mommy, G, senior.
Answer.
They will come.
Can I say something, please?
Okay.
A minute.
Okay.
You see, you being a standout can also be on the point unya based on the kind of products you are wanting. You get where I'm coming from?
Really, or better.
There's no way I'll go for milk
at
a club event.
Yeah.
Exactly.
These same people are the people I may say. Uma ye to mu product in your come hono.
Stand maybe what club need intimate to us. Relax. I'm just trying to find a way you never solve issues in the black.
So really, in detail, I also feel just as he said, it's a broader conversation that we need to have, not just because a yes Stana.
Oh yeah,
they make it about events, places, beverages, alcoholic beverages. Conversation and then have it. So Stana aside he still does his program.
Oh yeah,
I be a the boy be a work concept be pa Jack cash in who but or Kwanso and fa. So you see the conversation is becoming broader now. It's no more be or no idea or can't but he just wants to widen the conversation, which I feel we should,
Yeah, Black, I understand the whole conversation, but what I'm saying is that sometimes we, the people in this whole music industry, we target already made products. And these already made products, they have their ways of going about things. Let me say this. You and I will testify that Shatawale made Storm what it is now. If not for Shatawale, probably look at energy drink and counter Storm. You get where I'm coming from. Stana with the kind of attention he has, the people he has, he could narrow his thinking to the point of, okay, if the big ones are not giving me, let me make a product. Not making a product, it's all a product. And let me find a product who is struggling with my capability, give the person a good proposal and see if it works. Sometimes our target is also a problem.
Really, it be foul. Stana came in here with a cup. Cup no water home.
Mahre.
Then I won't.
Is it not Java?
so me hear some Mahre so bad. I say like you know me. I see as a Mahre. I've seen it.
Yeah.
They make what I say. Or kasi I'm who's on a TikTok. No, I say. What should that they share more? So meaning and yet what you are saying is something he is doing. But then it still goes down
Java
to say
is an event place.
one.
They make an answer myself.
Or the proposal called Bel for her and Komufia. Call Bill Kraboto.
I understand. But when he was talking,
Mr. Black,
oh, you see, when he was talking, his much focus on
Java.
You see, his defense more was on the event grounds. Black, you asked something, say, events in Kumasi, we've been complaining about grounds. He mentioned a couple of new places, which I think in terms of it being club-based, but let's say he wants to host Kwaku Smoke, your artist.
Hey.
Oh yeah, because I've seen you on stage
Come on.
with him. Not that your artist has seen you managing.
His brother,
like,
his brother.
Ask yourself, the number Kwaku Smoke is holding now, what club in Kumasi now can contain an emphasis number? So my point is, you see, Stana in his conversation is defending, let me use that word, I'm not saying you are doing that, but it's protecting the event grounds because his power on getting some event grounds activated is so high and it's working. And I'm saying that he should come down when it comes to the product sales and try to also elevate a product. I can boldly say he's part of the people who elevated Jabba.
Come on.
Yeah, I can boldly say that. But at the end, when I go to his events, hardly would I see him promoting an event that is emerging. A product that is emerging. Mostly it's about the already made bottles. You get me? And it goes way good for him because he have people who will buy, and at the end the grounds will end into they will not play with him. But that concept, he should bring it to products who are now coming. That's why I use Shatawala as an example.
Mr. Black, the conversation is, it will be very hard for me. Say me a product we buy, me could chase,
Yeah.
Then the products that are emerging should also look at some people that almost one numbers be no more support.
Right. You are right. You are right. You are right. But I'm just saying that once support.
Really?
Your approach is mostly
Really?
we event organizers.
Really?
Your approach is be for
Really?
black
Really,
for already made products.
I would agree with Stana on this for a product also approaching, said chairman. So be there. No say yeah,
Black, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah.
So now, he as an individual is here. We're talking about him being an event organizer, a hype man, the event he's been doing, and then all that. If he's to go into details with the kind of Nyoma Wayama event places, products in the days, free like that we are close to him because we are close to him. But Okofa will be a stand a better hey. My boy see me who said train normal bejina no moko. Akwawi standing tino a better hayo. They make him say he's done that for his name to be there. Into at least what is wrong if he moves to the big products now and wait for the emerging products to come to him? Well, on them about Mr.
Black.
This time I've been come on Mr.
Black, I say me on. When him say, me wo manager, I felt because where we want to go and Obi frame me. I'm so me manager for the both.
Why? How?
My young mama was my manager.
Oh, German.
You see, on common 100 I support what he's saying as we are trying
to I'm frame as a kufina and we didn't come. Exactly. So what's wrong with this?
You can echo black.
I don't know say minister na didn't come, right? It didn't come yourself manager frame me. But eventually what Stana had to send to me, I was a manager and send the man. He sent it to me.
Yeah.
But the fact that he told me to go to his manager, it's a business conversation.
Yeah.
And you're grown yedi. They make you what I say. So I can't say now we know didn't come out.
Same thing.
Like
beverages in the hall. They feel they are here.
To us, I imagine really on
so black Stana.
Yentia say when name be Mr. Black.
Edding.
We would broaden this conversation.
Last one then.
Stana has events coming on in Kumasi.
Yeah.
I want us to give the rest of the time to
the event.
That event's coming on. Me who highlight for list of events to be. Me who say Udin Sheba Kubiano. Me who Milan for event to be. Me who say Udin Shebiano. And then I know say and no one ever hold the rule, but I know particularly say one so no. in as much as you're Monaco, you have your way or the events that you've been promoting. Just this Sunday, me who were Greenwood Event Center, PUBG events, and I say with all the guys supporting Obibia. I want industry people, but people know you. Ordinary people, they are normal, but industry persons see. Oh, no be as Wahala. You could see say if in some about unity, no, because I feel if say a year must add any year stronger. So it's not radio tsunami callers me yeah make a job say as soon as the program you we back but see you free I'll sit here and talk about Opemsuo Day 21st last akwesi there kakaka me bon on the on the
21st December last
akwesi day of the year
and you remember then
you hear the others you were so ready others
I didn't hear you and the 21st December.
Let's talk about the events here.
Highlights.
Okay.
Your friend a trip back home.
Okay.
Into last akwesida be wa UK, wa America, baby.
As I could say we cry you know baby dear some you biemu cause people come.
Mo utie ni it we no ye be sum last one.
Yes.
Na ye sum we are na nana.
Inshirane ba
we are. You go highlight.
What's the name of the event? When is it happening? Time? Let's talk about
on the 21st of December. Before 21st, on the 18th, we are joining Koku Smoke.
Okay.
Good Park Accra.
Okay.
Accra Mall for revival concert.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Into on the 21st, yeah, Befi, yeah, Besum, yeah, Sumia, Numreno, yeah, co highlight. Trip back home.
Okay.
The official welcome party. So yeah, Beba. Ni nyina ya hihia na edi onko UK for no ni America for no nyina South Africa for no ni hihia na edi honkomo on the 24th.
Meba, is it a ticketed event? How do we get tickets? Location and a time will be time the on the manka time wants them the kunya pa Kumasi no e be credit me Saturday and amba meba ho no me say me da kakra me drew on 1:30 me kopon so is it a ticketed event time and then you're saying dressing be or BB or let's get to know.
So a trip back home. Me expect do free UK bus on your boga kakra.
Okay.
Do free China e ba nye no ho chin kakra. Yeah. So maybe all free baby are just dress nice.
Okay.
Dress like you are going out to meet somebody you've probably not met before. And then it's a ticketed event.
Okay.
A cool 100 cities for advance.
Okay.
150 at the gate.
Okay.
A cool advance. So open advance tickets maybe you call 0553 34 5678.
Saka number maybe.
0553 34 5678.
Okay.
Then say what the RJ advance.
Now I think you have my number. So what flights na send me na me from my police. As any other events ever can want na see ekoni
nice
edi home.
Now you na 24th December God is black.
Okay. Nyame tuntum.
God is black.
And say me nyame.
So we share
won't you come any person won't you
and one another person may catch you.
Okay.
In your own way.
Yeah, God.
You're God.
Yeah.
True. I want and then me person me ma yeti as say black got the power.
Yeah.
Black can do the opposite way. Black in here will be no I can't change no. So God is black. It talks about the power in the black.
Okay.
Yes. On the 26th, JC Connect, Java.
Okay.
Where we come together collectively. You deal Hong Kong, you bring that. You deal Hong Kong, the SEC. So we chill till. Me events are making one seminar starting at 8:30 p.m.
Okay.
8:30 p.m.
Is it on the dot or answer 8:30 and get ready?
8:30 we do gate now no abitia.
Okay.
Mr. Black, you tell me come to because sponsorship in your head I intimate your sound in the name of Wika. Aha. Inti no so ho asem no. Nyame adoma on the 31st December. We call it 365. So we have 365 days.
Yes.
So 365 Milan.
Okay.
Upon
from all camp. First of all, 18th in your support take smoke revival good Park Accra. 21st a trip back home a highlight ticketed event. 26th 24th
is 24th happens to be the autumn event and the biggest event.
Okay.
God is black.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then 26th
Java
Cafe, Java
yes.
Connecting, so their number. So
yes.
before the 31st, which is 365 days.
Oh.
All these places. Now we've talked about Highlight, we've talked about Milan, and then Java Cafe. Per events, per organizations, are they places that normally contains the number that you bring, or this is what we have, so you are utilizing it?
There are a lot of places. Flow Event Center, Rich Condos, SG Mall. There are a lot of places. They are me say me event, with Tribakum, Minyankamenya baby is such a highlight. But because of the constant mission, there's a place like that too. Oh, don't get me wrong.
No, I'm just listening.
There's a place bigger than highlight. I mean,
oh, okay.
But because of the money I don't have to give the concept, it's my highlight.
And come for highlighting so because despite BBR, maybe your terms and agreements, no.
And in America, and come here because running come any budget. Percentage in my yacht, minimum diagrate. So me be cracker. Mr. So Mr. Chapira. Mr. Oseikrom may be alpha percentage in one community budget.
Out of the events you mentioned, Joe Masendo where you be, we said God is Black is like the biggest of it that you do it.
Sure.
How is it going to be like concept and say how do we prepare to come? About the normal flow, would you get artists passing through? I know it's a party that you come with your friends, you get a table, you buy your drinks, you enjoy and go. But maybe are there some highlights in it in here?
Yes.
On that set day 24th and being called BD and no.
Yeah. So we are going to explain the concept of God is Black with some cultural music, some creative style, Bika Krebi. And since it's Christmas, it will comes with this fireworks, serious fireworks. Okay. We're looking at putting the artists on artists with the chain. Artists need the
and on the bear icing on the cake, no.
Sir, artists need the person with the chain kakra.
Okay.
So for now, it's a whole experience on 24th December. A whole experience. Any so bedroom. What na say arrest ya chain music and I say what train say no ebe foul your water bibia carries an experience. Okay. It's something that you can talk about when you live. Okay. So yes.
Bunty, I don't know if you want to say I didn't come over but before Bunty Bekano, let me put this across. There was BBC was Santimemu and Stana, you had a program so Bekaya. And you hit me up, you didn't come, but I was out of the country. You came, okay, concept to be in him, so okay, wasn't I him a free mono? Like he had a program, na BBC, and he wanted to, or the side, and yes, he wanted, he did that. What the event called Shimu, the Miguel, it was a night out here, GNU, but I said he brought that concept in it. I think na him who knows the day. Okay, I said you stop the music and you did it. Me guys okay be say man I'm junior.
I think say I think say trip to SA. Yeah, trip to SA. It was highlight and I said
it was Milan.
Oh yes. The play.
Yes, and as a you join the ball you said it. Okay, say 9 free and then we did like a minute or so for that activity. He talking about the experience. It's not just the music and the stuff. Things happen when you are at such events. Want to mean too?
Right, boss. You see, we should also understand say all this while the agenda you preaching say you be my entertainment space na or Kumasi na go.
Yeah.
Until we should understand say it's an ecosystem. Event grounds and event centers they need the MCs.
Yeah.
He has the numbers.
Yeah.
Inti with the Yenshe event organizers and they are all under one umbrella. Van Zibia, Riley. It's me as a Sao Munina, Boa Munina, no the Omoko I Village. Definitely the numbers no. Stand a cohort the Ayina cohort.
Yeah.
Nipado does never by event centers na Kauhan.
Be less.
So we should understand that it's an ecosystem. Inti Yehun say if says is a event centers na ohano is and unti has a be monopoly intino
ye bua for almost what there will be a point where more investors would understand us and then come and then invest in the space in our house. Space is never does one. He would have options. The other year, I have an option. Until I'll choose the new option over all the only me. But because I have seen a mayor, because he truly said it, say, so where event centers, baby, our programs in your particular spot be aware when you nipa no more. Because when I say a center, nipa no bebe be omoba. They said it. Oma come and I say ni safety okay. I say oba when you experience and any other day. So there are certain events any venue baby ye core event ye share san your money in answer na yako. Into the honomono wabenya soft spot the amasa microphone ho. Into in as much as we treat no bad cry no. Minimum na wa hasin so na minya me numbers no. So we should understand that it's an ecosystem. You treat to the bedroom you will be chasing them. They wouldn't come to your event places as well. So we should understand that and then let's build the industry.